Welcome to day 7 of your 7-day yoga challenge. Today is about softness, ease, and gratitude. Sit tall, relax your shoulders, and take a slow breath in through your nose and a gentle breath out through your mouth. Let your whole body alive as it is. Inhale and exhale. Lift your right arm up and gently lean to the left. Feel the space opening through your ribs and the entire side of your body. Take one more breath and switch side. Inhale and exhale. Slowly release. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale, open your chest into cow pose. Exhale, round your spine into cat pose. Moving at your own pace, as if massaging your spine from the inside. With your hips into downward facing dog, take a slow breath. Inhale and exhale. Shift forward into a soft plank. Feel strong and soft at the same time. Exhale back into child pose. Let everything melt. Inhale and exhale. Focus on your breath. Slowly wake up. Sit with legs extended. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to fold gently. No forcing, just breathing. Let your entire back soften. Slowly wake up. Cross your legs, hands on knee. Take a slow inhale and a gentle exhale. Feel gratitude for your body, your breath, and the time you gave yourself. Thank you for practicing.